All right, so my name is Thomas Casey. I come from Nokia, and also on my behalf, let me just give you a warm welcome to the Reboot Finland D-Day for Bioeconomy, and also to our Executive Experience Center here. So, how's everybody doing? Are you excited? Yes, good. At least I am very excited. It has been a really great day so far, and I see a lot of opportunities ahead of us. And although this is a rather new field for us at Nokia, we're very excited to learn how we could contribute and also what we could do and accomplish together as an ecosystem. But hey, before I get going with the presentation, let me just ask you a question. Who here has heard of 5G? Almost everybody. Great. Fantastic. Another question. Who here knows what 5G is and what kind of benefits it can bring to you and your business? Okay, this is bad now. So hopefully during the presentation I will be able to help you out with this and give you some answers to those questions. But first, briefly about who we are. So at Nokia, we create technology to connect the world. And if you remember, the slogan used to be connecting people. But now we're not only connecting people. Our ambition is to create technologies that connect everything. And this includes also bioeconomy and more broadly, circular economy and all the potentially related material streams. And as said, this is a rather new field for us at Nokia, but we're very excited to learn about the related sectors and how we could help them become better connected, better aware of the environment, and also more sustainable. But that said, let me just start out by showing you a couple of examples of activities that we have that are at least somewhat related to these themes. So one field where we have had some activities is connected agriculture. So Nokia has contributed to a solution from a company called Bilberry that deals with weeds detection in big agricultural fields. So as it happens, there are currently no weeds detection solutions available for monitoring large fields. And this new solution incorporates cameras on sprayers that will scan the area in real time and determine where to spray and where not to spray. And this then helps the farmers decrease the amount of herbicide they spray on their crops. Another question, another example of a really great enabling technology is our IoT platform, Impact. So Impact is basically provides a flexible way for companies to manage the growing number of IoT devices and sensors they have installed. And we have used this to enable connected cold chain logistics. So as many of you probably know, cold chain management includes all the different means to ensure heat stability of products that are not heat stable. So all the way from manufacturing and farm until the time it is used. And what we've done here is we place sensors along the chain. So for example, in transportation trucks and cold storage facilities. And we're using then the Impact platform to manage the sensors, collect data, and enable fleet managers to have end-to-end visibility of their goods. Now, a bit more broadly, if we look at the ecosystem around bioeconomy, we see that there are great challenges to be solved. So it has, for example, been estimated by the United Nations that by 2030, we need 50% more food, 45% more energy, and 30% more water. And as we can see, these are really tremendous challenges. And what we see is that connectivity could be a major contributor when solving these challenges. So this then means and provides the question that how do we connect all the relevant objects and how do we collect information of those? So whether it's a forest area or a meal you're about to have or some energy waste that could be used as an energy source. With proper connectivity, real-time information models, or so-called digital twins of these objects, could be maintained. So the question is, how can we connect all the related objects and elements? And the technology that can make this happen is 5G. So with 5G, say a farmer or a water treatment plant manager or a food processing plant manager can easily deploy wireless connections everywhere. So these networks are faster, they can handle vast amount of devices, and also the growing volumes of traffic that are being generated. The connections are also mobile, they're very low cost, and they provide maximum reliability and security. The connections are also real-time and enable very demanding automation use cases, such as robotics control or drones to, for example, scan forest areas. And 5G technologies are currently being tested, and larger scale commercial availability is expected around 2020. But what is really great is that you don't need to wait until then. Advanced forms of 4G will enable a smooth evolution to 5G, and they are also able to demonstrate many of the benefits that 5G will then ultimately deliver. So you can start your evolution towards 5G today. And how can you do this? Our 5G evolution platforms are available for solution building now and can help you do this. Now, let me break this down for you. So there are basically two ways you can look at the networks. So below you can see what we like to call blanket coverage. So this is a generic wide area connectivity that can be used, for example, to cover entire cities or countries. And this part of the network will benefit greatly from 5G and can also make a contribution to the bioeconomy. Then there are also what we like to call pillow networks. So these are special local wireless networks that can be deployed, for example, on a farm or another related facility. And what do these pillow networks mean in practice? If as a farmer or a food processing plant manager or a water treatment plant manager, you would like to deploy your own network. All you need is this box. So this box contains a small base station that you can bring to your site, and it will connect to our cloud and set up a network just for you. So if you're interested in experimenting with this, please be in touch and we will help you out. So, thanks. So to conclude, first, connectivity can be a major contributor both to bio and circular economy, and we see huge potential to improve sustainability and create new value. Second, 5G technology is a key enabler for this. And third, our 5G evolution platforms and networks are available for solution building now, and we're very excited to engage and discuss with the related sectors and help you become better connected. So that was all from me. A couple of things I still want to mention. So first, please visit the Nokia stands, where we'll be telling you about different activities we have and also showing you some technology demos. One activity in particular I could mention is the Open Ecosystem Network, which is a co-creation and innovation environment where you can go and share project proposals with the community. Then another thing I want to mention is Nokia is again organizing the Nokia Open Innovation Challenge for 2017. So if you're interested, go check out the website and submit your application before September 20th. So with that, I wish you all a great event. Let's reboot Finland, let's reboot bioeconomy, and let's use 5G to do this. Thank you very much.